carbon after. The next element is nitrogen. What is that? N2 molecule. Which molecule? N2 molecule. Now nitrogen atomic number is 7. So therefore it contains how many electrons of one nitrogen atom? 7 electrons. Now N2 molecule electron, number of electrons, better, number of electrons in N2 molecule equals to, each nitrogen atom contains 7 electrons. So 2 nitrogen atom, so therefore it contains how many electrons? 14 electrons in it. Now electron configuration, EC means electron configuration of molecular orbitals of N2 molecule. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, pi 2p x equals to pi 2p y. The next one is pi star 2p x. This is sigma 2p z, then pi star 2p x equals to pi star 2p y. The last one is sigma 2p star 2p z. So therefore this is the 20 electrons. So it has which electron system? 14 electron system. So 2 electrons filled here, 2, 4, here is 2, 6, then 2, what, 8, here is 2, then here is also 2, then like this. Total how many electrons? 14 electrons. So number of electrons in BMO orbitals, bonding molecular orbitals, equals to 2, here is 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So therefore here is which one? 10 electrons. Now number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital ABMO equals to which one? 4 electrons. So therefore bond order equals to 10 minus 4 by 2, so 6 by 2. So it indicates which one? Triple bond. So when bond order 3, so therefore between 2 nitrogen atoms contains how many bonds? 3 bonds. So therefore which bond is present? Triple bond is present. Which bond it is? Triple bond. Which bond is present? Triple bond is present. So here no lone pair of electrons according to molecular orbital theory. So that is the reason why nitrogen is which one? Diamagnetic substance or diamagnetic molecule. Diamagnetic which one? Molecule. Which molecule? Diamagnetic molecule. When we see the MOED diagram of N2 molecule, this is the energy axis, this is the potential energy axis. Then the first one is 1s orbital, one orbital is higher energy, the another orbital is lower energy than compared to okay. This is, here is one nitrogen atom, here is also one other nitrogen atom. This is which one? 1s orbital. It is also which one? 1s orbital. The 1s orbital after, so therefore it is which one? Sigma 1s. Then here is what? Sigma star 1s. The next one is okay, this is 2s orbital, it is also 2s orbital. This is sigma 2s, then here is what? Sigma star 2s. Then 2s orbitals are over. The next coming orbital is what? P orbital. Now 1, 2, 3, then the first lower energy orbitals are 2 degenerated orbitals, 2 degenerated orbitals, one, two, three. So this is known as pi 2px, pi 2py. What about this? Pi 2px and pi 2py. Then the next one is okay, this is which one? Sigma 2pz. Which one? Sigma 2pz. Now this is the next energy orbital. 1, 2, this is which one? Pi star 2p, pi star 2py, pi star 2px and pi star 2py. The last orbital is sigma star 2pz. What is that? Sigma star 2pz. So it is what? This is 2p orbital. It is also which one? 2p orbital. px, py, pz, px, py, pz. So this is about the energy level diagram of which one? N2 molecule. So therefore nitrogen contains 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 3 electrons here. Then this nitrogen also contains 2 electrons, 1s2, 2s2, x1, y1, z1, x1, y1, z1. Now the first 2 electrons are entered into here, then 4 electrons, 6 electrons, 8 electrons, 10 electrons, 12 electrons, then 14 electrons. Okay, na? So this is about the MOED diagram of which one? N2 molecule. Which molecule? N2 molecule. So according to this particular diagram, there is no unpaired of electron. So therefore N2 molecule is which one? diamagnetic.